we wish the Justice Department had been more prudent and discerning in its statements on these issues. Buhay at kamatayan ang nangyayari sa mga mamamayan natin. Huwag naman kayong ganyan. Lalo na kung saksi tayo sa mga ganon. In fact, mag-i-interpolate ako noon, Madam Speaker. Nandito ako, kailangan ko mag-interpolate ng time na yun. Pero kailangan kong pumunta doon kasi nung NTF-ELCAC na press con, ang sinasabi na ng mga bata, kami ay dinukot. Under custody pa rin kami ngayon ng military. Kung hindi sila maaalis doon, pabalik sila sa kampo. And we have had so many cases. Yesterday, I was telling the DND, ng cases. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin naman na-resolve yung mga cases na yon. That was under the DND Secretary, si Gilbert Chodoro. Yung time ni Palparan. Si Sherlyn Cadapan hindi na nalitaw. Madam Speaker, si isang kasama niya, isa pa, si Empeño, those two, during that time, hindi pa nalilitaw hanggang ngayon. We have 72 cases of desaparecidos, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, hindi natin ito mariresolve ng mga pagsagot na, we will be impartial, etc., etc. Anong hustisya meron tayo dito, Madam Speaker, kung ganito? Madam Speaker, I have so many questions on the DOJ, Madam Speaker. I move, Madam Speaker, to defer the budget.
Move to suspend, Madam Speaker. Move to suspend.
Suspended.